slowed up with the making a U-turn, we can give her a U-turn to come down. Second one's north now, I think. Yeah, northbound. Just 19, I got 6 over my eyes. Right, he's going to be inside of this shopping mall behind the town on Douglas.
I can't see, bro.
631, are they agree on this place? 631 Simon Riverbend. Your job reaches the entrance way deal, the Liberty Stadium. You're right up Mount Street for southbound. Get out, get out.